Hi! In front of me is Tablet Navitel T787 and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing options. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down to Access System. Now select Languages and Input. On-screen keyboard and revert. Lastly, just click on Text Correction. As you can see, all typing features are over here. To manage them, just click on the switchers next to the chosen ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!